Hello everyone, Rain by Duna Cruz is dedicated to all overseas workers worldwide at sa lahat ng taga-Bahay, Liloan, Southern Leyte. Rain gently falls wherever we say goodnight, falling like wind, you're out of sight. Rain follows me even in my bed, and rain is the tears that I shed. There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, all mine. There'll be no summer, spring, fall, it's the